How to fix iMessage waiting for activation on iPhone after iOS update. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and launch the settings application on your device. Make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. Tap on Wi-Fi and ensure your internet connection is good. If not, click on the info button beside the Wi-Fi you are connected to and tap on the Forget This Network option and rejoin again. Go back and tap on Cellular if you are using cellular data and refresh the cellular data button. Also toggle on the button for airplane mode. Wait for a minimum of 60 seconds before toggling it off again. Go to your home screen and open Safari now, and in the search bar search for Apple server status. Tap on the first link there and you can see under system status that all services are operating normally. You can also check it manually by scrolling down and looking for iMessage option. You can see it is showing available, which means the iMessage feature is working fine. So now go to settings again and tap on date and time and make sure it is set to set automatically. Go back and now scroll down and look for messages application and tap on that. Toggle off the button for iMessage and force quit settings along with other apps in the background. Force quit the app by swiping up and exiting the app, or if you have an iPhone with the home button, then double click on the home button and force quit the app. Now open settings again and go to messages and toggle on the button for iMessage. Also tap on your name banner, scroll down and sign out of the device by entering your password and then clicking on turn off. You can also force restart your device. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. And finally, press and release the power button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release the power button when you see the slide to power off slider. Keep holding the side button until Apple logo appears. Once it appears, you can release the power button. After force restarting, go to settings again and sign into the device. Your problem should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.